Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Absolute Cinephiles. Today we're going to talk about something every creator secretly Googles at 3 a.m. How do I actually progress on YouTube? Now, if you're thinking, bro, I've been uploading videos since dinosaurs were alive and still no views, don't worry, we're in the same boat. And if you ever thought, why is YouTube so hard? Maybe YouTube has a personal problem with me? Relax. It's not YouTube, it's the way we play the game. In this video, we'll cover how to increase your views without begging your relatives, how to actually engage viewers so they don't leave faster than my ex, how to upload videos properly, yes, there's a right way, the eternal fight, quality versus consistency, and finally, I'll drop some real secret tips from my own experience that textbooks will never tell you. And remember this golden line, quality always overpowered consistency. Even if you upload daily, but it looks like it was shot on a toaster, no one's watching. So, let's dive in. 1. How to increase views. Your thumbnail is your channel's first impression. Think of it as your dating profile picture. If it looks bad, no one's clicking. Tips: use bright, simple colors. Add text, but keep it short. Show emotions, shock, excitement, curiosity. But not like you just saw your electricity bill, that's scary. Example: if your video is top 10 street foods in Delhi, don't just put a sad samosa in the thumbnail. Show your face biting into it with text like, unbelievable taste. That makes people curious. Keywords and SEO. YouTube is literally a search engine. If you don't use keywords, you're hiding your video in a dark room. I like to provide you some hacks. Type your video idea into the search bar. See what autocomplete shows. Those are the exact words people search. Use them in your title and description. For example, if you type, how to make noodles, YouTube might suggest, in 2 minutes or without oil. That's free SEO research. But please don't make videos like, how to make noodles in 5 hours. Unless you want everyone to unsubscribe. Trending versus evergreen. Trending videos equals fast food. Quick attention, short life. Evergreen videos equals home-cooked meal. Slower start, but people will search for it even after 3 years. For growth, balance both. Maybe 70% evergreen, 30% trending. That way, your channel keeps getting traffic forever. Watch time. YouTube's main love language equals watch time. If people stay, YouTube promotes you. If people leave in 5 seconds, YouTube says, throw this in the bin. So instead of stretching your video like chewing gum, keep it tight but engaging. For example, instead of saying, so, today, in this video we're going to talk about, just start. Don't be shy. Promote your video. Share it on Instagram, WhatsApp, Reddit, or even send it to your grandma. True story. I once sent my video link to my uncle. He replied, beta, very nice. But how do I unsubscribe? Painful, but at least he watched. 2. How to engage viewers. The hook, first 10 seconds. This is where 80% of creators fail. First 10 seconds decide everything. Bad hook, hey guys, welcome to my channel. People already left. Good hook, 90% of YouTubers fail. Here's how you won't. See the difference? You create curiosity. Storytelling. Humans don't remember facts. They remember stories. Instead of just saying, reply to comments, tell them a story. Like once, a guy commented on my video saying he shared it in his office WhatsApp group. Guess what? My views doubled in 1 day. That's the power of community. So share little personal stories. Even your failures, people connect with struggles more than perfection. Engagement cues. Don't just talk at people. Talk with them. Examples. Comment yes if you've ever uploaded a video that got 0 views after 10 hours of editing. We can cry together. Which editing app do you use? Tell me below, maybe we can all learn from each other. When people comment, YouTube thinks your video is valuable. Pin and reply. Replying to comments makes your viewers feel seen. Pin your own comment at the top with a question or a link to another video. That's free traffic. Think of it like putting a giant billboard in your own comment section. Backhand index pointing right 3. How to upload videos properly, 4 to 5 minutes. SEO optimization. Don't title your video Vlog 1. That helps no one. Example, instead of my vlog, write, first time trying Delhi street food. You won't believe what I ate. Much more clickable.
Description tags.
Your description equals second chance for SEO. The first 2 lines are the most important. They show up in search. Keep it clear. In this video, I'll show you how to XYZ. Tags don't matter as much anymore, but still add relevant ones. Chapters and subtitles. Give people timestamps. Not everyone has patience to sit through everything. Subtitles are great too. Half of YouTube watches on mute while pretending to work in office meetings. Playlists and end screens. Think of your channel like Netflix. Keep people binging. Put videos in playlists, use end screens to link your other videos. The more people stay, the more YouTube loves you. Backhand index pointing right 4. Quality versus consistency. Here's the truth. Quality always overpowered consistency. Uploading daily with bad content is like serving burnt food every night. No one's coming back. But upload once a week with fire content, and people will set reminders. Of course, don't disappear for 6 months. Consistency matters, but not at the cost of trash content. Remember this. One banger video can change your whole channel. Extra growth tips from my experience. Analytics is your teacher. Check your YouTube studio regularly. Check CTR, and CTR tells you if your thumbnail and title works. Watch time tells you if your content works. Low CTR means bad thumbnail. Low watch time means boring video. Simple diagnosis. Audio first. People forgive bad video, not bad audio. Even if you film with a potato, invest in a decent mic or at least use your phone mic properly. Batch content creation. Film multiple videos in one go. Saves time, keeps your flow. Example, record 3 videos on Sunday, then edit through the week. You'll thank yourself later. Experimentation. Don't stick to one formula forever. Try shorts, try long form, try behind the scenes. Fun fact, I once uploaded a random behind the scenes clip and it got more views than my main video. At first, it hurt my soul, but later I realized, audience decides what works, not us. Community building. Subscribers are numbers, but community is family. Share your wins, fails, bloopers. Nobody connects with a perfect robot. People connect with you. So, that's your complete roadmap to progress on YouTube. We covered increasing views with thumbnails, SEO, and watch time, engaging viewers with hooks, stories, and comments, uploading properly with SEO, playlists, and subtitles, choosing quality over blind consistency, and my personal growth tips from real experience. Remember the golden rule. Quality always overpowered consistency. One great video is more powerful than 30 average ones. If you learned something today, smash the like button so hard that YouTube thinks it's a glitch. Subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below your biggest YouTube struggle. I'll try to reply to as many as possible. Thanks for watching, and remember, if your first videos flop, don't give up. Even PewDiePie's first video looked like it was shot on a potato. Keep creating, keep learning, and one day, you'll look back and thank yourself for not quitting.